Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to correctly eject the memory card from Xiaomi Smart Camera C301. So first of all, we're gonna go to the app of the camera, so Mi Home or Xiaomi Home, and then we need to select our camera, then go to Storage Management, and then choose SD card status. And then over here you have the option to unmount SD card, so you want to select it and then tap OK. Once the card is unmounted, we can go back, and now we need to turn off our camera. Once we do that, of course, the lens will go up and it will reveal the SD card slot. So you want to use your fingernail in order to push the memory card into the camera. So do this gently, you will hear the click, and then once you release it, the SD card should go out, and then you can just use your fingers in order to take out the memory card, and after that you can turn the camera back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.